I'll run through this in due to given time constraint. Again, focus, trying to say focus is more, जितना रिटर्न पे फोकस रहता है उतना ही टाइम पे भी रहना चाहिए. अगर आप टाइम पे और रिटर्न पे उतना फोकस देंगे तो ब्रॉडली रिटर्न उतना ही बन जाता है, राइट. 50% मोर रिटर्न्स की जगह हम 50% मोर टाइम पे स्पेंड करेंगे, ब्रॉडली रिटर्न उतना ही बनता है. या सो हम लोग रिटर्न्स पे बहुत ज्यादा फोकस करते हैं, टाइम इन द मार्केट पे उतना ज्यादा फोकस नहीं करते. Yeah, so that is what the larger point we are trying to make here. Bajaj Finance, multi-year compounding story, been in stocks, been there in many of our portfolios, and been a huge multiplier historically. Again, idea is to highlight how you hold it over a period of time. Let the returns result. ये सारों में achieve हो रहा है. ये आपका financialization of savings में कुछ हद तक आपका ये अचीव हो रहा है, because obviously it lends as well, but they are also cross selling, yeah, and the other theme as well, where data is the next story. वहां से भी उसको यूज कर रहे हैं, and obviously the earlier point we said, time पे focus रहना है besides returns. Deepak Nitrite, again, disclaimer, it's been held in our multiple portfolios. Again, trying to highlight how it's delivered return over a period of time. Again, time being of the essence. Here. So therefore, long-term focus, fundamental driven, state, bottoms up approach, diversification, and staggered buying. These are some of the key takeaways that we want to highlight to our audience. Again, there were questions around how do we construct our portfolio. So we call it the ABC, which is A is all weather. It's about 40% of our portfolios typically. B is business momentum. We typically have around 30% bucketing there. C is circle of opportunity. And मोटा ये अगर 100% इस ऐसे composition से बैठ जाता है, then we are looking at EPS growth of 20, 25, 30%. And if you have that 20, 25, 30% EPS growth, right side chart में अगर आप देखेंगे, उसको आप थोड़ा सा re-rating के साथ जोड़ेंगे, तो जो overall multiplier है, वो 3x, 4x, 5x हो जाता है over a period of 5 years. 5x over 5 years means 38% compounding. If you do only 3x in 5 years, it's just 25% compounding. Yeah, this is the bare minimum that we try and achieve over 5 years. So in that overall 5 years time frame, the idea is to grow money 3x, 4x as much as 5x. This is the last slide. We have the 5 in 5 product, mispriced opportunities and secret. All of them are good, proven, products which are being used by over 20,000 clients now, and more than 2,000 lifetime clients now. Most of the data is available on the website, and more than happy, if anyone wants more information, please look at our website. And feel free to connect to our counselors or drop in a question. Somebody would be happy to connect you. I'll stop there. Disclaimers, obviously, as we've done in the past, and suffice to say, do your own research, and obviously we would be more than happy to assist you in any of our recommendations to products that we have. I guess I will stop here and take up. There was a question around, there's question from Mr. Jayesh Barve, who's saying that the most tech companies, unicorns, have large valuations but not profit making. What is the typical time expected for them to make profitable? Very good question, Mr. Jayesh. So let me give you some examples. Again, these are just examples, by no means recommendations. Cartrade is already profitable. Yeah, on a top line of 330 crores, they already made an adjusted profit of 70 crores last financial year. This is one example on one extreme. Yeah, Nykaa is already profitable, right? Zomato on 3,300 crores plus kind of analyzed turnover, they're making hundreds of crores of loss even today. That's another example, extreme. Another extreme is Paytm. Obviously, their loss runs into thousands of crores, 1,000, 2,000, more than 2,000 crore loss they are setting. matured sectors, matured economies, matured companies in US like Amazon, right, like Alibaba, like Meituan. They are already in billions of dollars of positive PAT, of net profit, right? So I guess the answer to your question is that uh, it will evolve, it will happen, right? For most spaces, most segments, most companies, right? वो होगा, किसी में 2 साल लगेगा, किसी में 5 साल लगेगा. In some extreme case, maybe slightly, right? Our sense is that the you need to be in the right space, which is profit. उसका जो pool है बहुत बड़ा होना चाहिए. Like we believe, example, food tech is huge. For example, right? उसके अंदर you should be either number 1 or number 2 that particular company, right? उसमें कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी होनी चाहिए, मैनेजमेंट का एक फोकस होना चाहिए, एक अच्छा ग्रॉस मार्जिन होना चाहिए, right? And user connectivity होनी चाहिए. You're able to have that. I think if all ticks are there, and the next 5 years the company can grow 25 to 30% profitable, अपने आप हो जाएगा और बहुत अच्छा, right? That is the answer to your question. But the disclaimer here is, the conclusion here is, you got to take a larger time frame. Please do not approach a tech platform company with a couple of quarters view. At least take a 2 to 3 year view. If we can't take a more than less than that, right? Or if you can take a more than that, at least take a 2 to 3 years. Please allow such companies to deliver results in at least 2 to 3 years, right? So moving on, what were the previous 4 themes? So we discussed the previous 4 themes was around in fact that's another question, हम EV से क्यों नहीं दे रहे हैं, हमने वो कर लिया सर लास्ट टाइम डिस्कस. 12 जून 2021 को हमारा पहला थीमेटिक वेबिनार था जिसमें हमने थीम्स फॉर द नेक्स्ट डेकेड प्रेजेंट की थी. उसमें आप that video is there on YouTube. You can go there and watch it. There we had presented EVs as one of the themes. We had presented renewable energy, we had presented unicorns, and we had presented digitalization. Yeah. Reasons for FI and DI investment reduction, sir. July में investment reduction हुआ था FIs का. No need to panic, and let's not give too much importance. आपने देखा भी, हमने हमारी daily activity में 45% retail HNI से आ रहा है. FI का और DI का घट के is not even 17%. So उनका बहुत कम रह गया है, right? और सर आज FI बेच रहा है, जुलाई के महीने में they were net sellers, अगस्त में आके वो net buying करेंगे. So every month, see, globally there are so many FIs, हर सबका अपना अपना एक mandate होता है, right? वो 2 महीने बेचेंगे तो अगले 4 महीने आगे खरीद के जाएंगे, तो वो short term रहता है. That's okay. Let's not give too much. Let's not get too much worried about. All I can tell you with confidence is, having served many of these large FIs and DIs in my previous organization, people like you and me and many such informed Indians, हम लोग उतना ही अच्छा डिसीजन ले सकते हैं या बेटर ले सकते हैं आज के दिन में as compared to some of these FIs and DIs, because we can take that long term view, right? Because it's our own money. राइट, हम बहुत ज्यादा आज के दिन में प्रिपेयर्ड रहते हैं, हम बहुत ज्यादा, हमारा रिस्क एपेटाइट है, राइट? सो बिलीव मी, we should not get too much worried about FI&DI data as we used to in the past, right? There's a lot of compliments. Thank you so much everyone for all the compliments that you've been shared in terms of that you like the webinar and etc. Questions from Pallavi, I think market valuations all-time high. Is it suggested to refrain from investing till correction? Your views. So Pallavi, we said in one of our slides, staggered buying. Yeah, that is one approach you can take. Or if you are, let's say 90% invested, let's say you are 100% invested, you might want to just have a little bit of profit booking in some part of that portfolio and keep 90%. And keep some 5-10% dry gun powder or cash on the sides. That's also recommended. But let's say somebody fully invested 100%, maybe you can take off the table maybe 5-10% at least to have that money ready whenever there is an opportunity. For people who are 50% invested or more, Again, staggered buying is the way. Next 6 months, deploy that balance 40-50%. People who are coming afresh now as in now, obviously उनके लिए और ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है रिस्क एपेटाइट हिसाब से. हाई रिस्क बंदा है 50% आज डाल सकते हैं बैलेंस ओवर अ पीरियड. अगर लो रिस्क है, मीडियम रिस्क है, मे बी 30-40%. एंड ओवर बैलेंस ओवर अ पीरियड. प्लीज डू नॉट वेट फॉर अ करेक्शन. करेक्शन आएगी फिर मैं बैलेंस डालूंगा, वो आ गई तो हमारी किस्मत नहीं है. तो स्टैगर्ड बाइंग से हम अचीव कर लेंगे अपना ऑब्जेक्ट. Yeah, so let's take the next question. EVV, mutual funds versus direct equity. Please suggest which one is better over long term. Palvinder Singh ji, sir, यही हमने discuss किया. Informed investors like you and many such investors who are now equity savvy हम लोग होते जा रहे हैं. Education इतना मिल रहा है, confidence इतना मिल रहा है, इंडिया पे इतना growth इतना है, तो हम लोग को भरोसा है अपनी इकोनॉमी में. बाहर हम क्यों देखें, right? All of the economies are growing 4, 5, 6%. We're growing at 9-10%, right? So I would say direct investing is definitely the way forward. That for a large part of the incremental pool which is now getting added. I'm not saying as of now, but a pool that is getting every, let's say एक pool add हुआ 1 लाख का in the next couple of months, right? ऐड हुआ मतलब टू वर्किंग पॉपुलेशन जिनके पास पैसा है, जिनको पैसा इन्वेस्ट करना है सेविंग प्रोडक्ट्स पे अंडर दैट फाइनेंशियल सेविंग्स जो हमने कहा, उनके लिए डायरेक्ट बेटर रहेगा. यू कैन ऑब्वियसली हैव अ मिक्स, राइट? व्हाई ओनली पुट डायरेक्ट, हैव अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ म्यूचुअल फंड एंड लिटिल बिट ऑफ डायरेक्ट इक्विटी एंड हैव दैट फ्लेवर. धीरे धीरे ओवर द इयर्स ही थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा, ओवर द इयर्स ही कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा. बट डायरेक्ट इक्विटी को डायरेक्टली अपना जरूर एक चंक बनाए अपने पोर्टफोलियो. यू विल गेट अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस और काफी एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है. एंड ऑब्वियसली वी आर देयर एज रिसर्च एंड देयर आर एडवाइजर्स लाइक you can collaborate and do take consultations from advisors like us. Where do we get recommendations from for some of the listed companies like Zomato? Shri, question from Shri. Shri, we are evaluating many of such companies. We would happy to share with you some of these proposals in the next couple of weeks or months. But fair to assume that we would be having a very positive view on some of these names, if not most. So maybe one in EdTech, one in food tech, one in one in health tech, one in from a miscellaneous category. We would be definitely having a positive. So let's say there are 10 odd companies getting listed in the tech platform in the next, let's say 6-8 months. We would definitely be having a positive view on maybe 3 or 4 out of them, and definitely not 10 out of them, or not 10 out of 10 out of them. Yeah, so we will obviously come back to you. Mr. Villain is asking, how do I get secrets which you mentioned for investing in unlisted stocks? Mr. Villain, happy to one of our counselors to help you on that. You can just click on that booking appointment, or you can write to us on our email ID. It's there on the website. Yeah, operations@researchandranking.com, and somebody would be happy to help you on that. Question from Mr. Rakesh: why you not giving exit call after stock has reached upside potential? Mr. Rakesh, upside potential reach हो जाता है तो in some of the cases हम hold कर लेते हैं because because हमें लग रहा है और ज्यादा पोटेंशियल है स्टॉक में. Only for that reason. Let's say हमने रिकमेंड किया at 100 and our fair price was 130 आ गया है और या रेंज में आ गया है, we think और 10-20% मिल सकता है, therefore we would do. Because हमने जब दिया था तब सिचुएशन, तब से और आज तक अगर 6 महीना हो गया और सिचुएशन में चेंज है, then obviously और हमें लग रहा है और अपसाइड आ सकता है. For that reason, that is the simple reason. क्योंकि कल को हमें लग रहा है पॉजिटिव और हमने एग्जिट दे दिया just because it's in our this thing, and so some clients say कि भाई we could not hold if we had a positive. So but believe me, it would not happen in more than 2 out of 10 or 3 out of 10 stocks. 7 or 8 out of 10 we would be end up giving it. At least 7 if not. How long would it take for India to not depend on oil producing countries? Maybe 5-6, maybe a decade. So उससे ज्यादा नहीं लगना चाहिए, बिकॉज तब तक डेकेड बोल रहा हूँ, वो भी ज्यादा बोल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि तब तक हमारा ईवीज बहुत ज्यादा एक्टिव हो जाएंगे। एंड एक तो हमारा ईवी साइड में हम बहुत एक्टिव हो जाएंगे, पेनिट्रेशन वुड बी बिटवीन 10, 20, 30, 40% अक्रॉस कैटेगरीज, टू व्हीलर्स, 3 4 व्हीलर्स एंड बसेस सीरीज। एंड द अदर इज ऑब्वियसली हमारा रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी पे बहुत ज्यादा आउटपुट आना आ जाएगा। आवर सेंसेस 50-50 इंडिया हो जाएगा, रिन्यूएबल नॉन रिन्यूएबल, ओवर द नेक्स्ट decade or so। उतना हमारा कोल पे और some of the oil producing countries पे उतना हमारा कम हो जाएगा। So yeah, we've got a lot of people are participating in that poll। So based on that we will obviously review हम next किस पे कर सकते हैं, but we definitely we are not from that camp जो थोड़ा multi bagger session करते हैं, because we don't, it's beyond the point फिर वो it doesn't, we don't achieve anything besides giving stock ideas। Our larger idea is to showcase themes from the long term perspective and to have more of informed investors। Many more industries will come up, Mr. Venkat is saying, may cater to the export market, thereby industry growth। Yes, we are looking at one such theme, export market, PLI, etc., etc. We would definitely be looking at that, but yeah, that is a good theme to look at, export and manufacturing, etc. Regular advisory on IPOs investments we do selectively, as we said, we do very selectively, where we have a very firm view, and all such views we put it on our social media platforms, including YouTube। So please request everyone to be subscribe to our channels on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, and you would receive an updates, and also regularly visit there, you will see a lot of updates almost on a daily basis। हम सारे व्यूज वहां पे रखते हैं। इसके अलावा अगर कोई किसी आईपीओ पे अगर हमने नहीं डाला और आपको जानकारी चाहिए, you can always write to us, email us to our operations desk, and we'll be more than happy if provided we have a view on that। M&M Finance and L&T Finance पे view, Mr. Madhav, stock specifics we are avoiding in this forum। Happy to, if you are a client, happy to provide you on a one-to-one basis through an email। So please write to us। Happy because it all depends on risk appetite। आपने किस भाव में लिया है, आज का क्या प्राइस है, हमारा 1 साल का व्यू क्या है, 3 साल का व्यू क्या है, so it differs। So not the right forum to comment on a particular stock। Despite high valuations, is it okay to invest in RM stocks at current market valuations? As we've already discussed this, based on risk appetite, you can use staggered buying approach to invest 30, 40, 50% at least, and then keep on doing it over a period of time. And all opportunities come, then you can obviously encash on that. Have some dry powder if you are fully invested. At least 5%, maybe as much as 10%. Good dividend stocks that we are more on the growth camp। हम लोग थोड़ा growth स्टॉक्स पे ज्यादा बिलीव करते हैं। हमारा व्यू है कि इंडिया का सॉरी निफ्टी ईपीएस between over the next 3 years could cumulatively could grow as much as 70%। So therefore we are from 500 plus levels to more than 800 plus levels, 840 plus। This is about FY21 to FY24। तो हमें लगता है कि उसी दौरान जो डबलर हो सकते हैं ईपीएस, अर्निंग्स 100 की 200 हो सकती है, while Nifty is going 65-70%। We are focusing on that ideas, but happy to share some different ideas as well in case you can write to us, and we can always see if we can have some names where we can provide you from our existing universe। So we don't look at bonds। Mr. Balwinder is saying that our returns are given 30% in the last 7 months, and thanks for that। Thanks for this compliment, sir। Stock SIPs definitely कर सकते हैं instead of lump sum, definitely advisable in this market। Last 2 questions I'll take given time constraint। Lifetime member, Mr. Rajesh is saying he's a lifetime member। Best things they teach is art of investing, creating huge wealth, stand by and hand holding, use of technology। Perfect, sir, you summarized it very well। Use of technology, good hand holding, the art of investing, hand holding, huge wealth creation, long term। Yeah, that these are some of the stay away from FNO, and some of those from a long term perspective you can always dabble separately based on risk appetite, but from a long term wealth creation perspective, cash investing is what we focus on. So thanks for the compliment, Mr. Rajesh. Mr. Anuj Singhal, thanks for the question. Really valuable information, overall market review, and so is Manju John. Thanks Manju, and thanks Anuj for all the compliments. I guess I have covered all of them, all of the topics, and needless to say, some people are very having that common question कि अभी इतने IPOs आ रहे हैं, इतने tech platform के question issues आ रहे हैं, markets it's at a level, ये कहीं .com के उससे मिलता तो नहीं है, आपको उस तरह का व्यू तो नहीं आ रहा है? The answer is obviously no, because आज के दिन में let me give you some data and some thoughts. SEBI, AMFI, NSE, BSE, आपको पता है BSE ने अभी 3-4 दिन पहले circular nikala to protect retail investors, and they put circuit limits on stocks which are exclusively BSE listed, जो already 3x, 4x, 5x, 6x भाग चुके हैं, उनके उसने circuit limits additional डाल दिए, right? So therefore BSE, NSE, SEBI, AMFI, the corporate affairs ministry, Ministry of Finance, government, everybody is so much looking after to ensure that retail investors' interest is protected, which is not the case as much 20 years back, जब ये .com का बड़ा 2000, right? अगर आप एक एग्जांपल देता हूं, अगर आपके पास पिछले 5 सालों में अगर प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी नहीं है, तो सेबी कहता है कि आपको सिर्फ 10% आप रिटेल इन्वेस्टर्स को दे सकते हो, 15% एचएनआई को, 75% आप इंस्टीट्यूशन, right? So that is the level of hand holding and ensuring that retail investors who are not as informed as and as have not seen the cycles and don't have global view, unka itna wo they're trying to ensure they are protected in that sense. So much is being done by all the governing bodies and in the ecosystem by participants like us, like RNR, who are doing their own role in terms of making informed investors like you. So that I think over a period of time we are mature. 2-4 instances होंगे, ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब सब कुछ फुल प्रूफ है और कुछ भी झटका नहीं आएगा, छोटे-छोटे झटके आएंगे, बड़ा झटका आने की उम्मीद नहीं. But all that smaller hiccups will get largely, I think, in terms of corrections बोल लीजिए या एक आधे स्टॉक में, एक आधे स्पेस में कभी कुछ फ्रॉड हो सकता है, and that is why we always try and stay away from such spaces, such stocks, because we always have that view that we cannot check the last 10 years history. The last 10 years history of quantitative and last 10 years history of qualitative. Before that, we seldom recommend this. At least 10 years. Yeah. Thanks once again.